Welcome to Global Glimpse. We are witnessing a profound transformation in the way we live. For the first time in history, most people live in cities. Rapid urbanization strains roads, water, energy, and public services. The response is not to halt growth, but to manage it with intelligence. A new paradigm is emerging, cities instrumented with sensors and data. We are entering the age of the smart city, responsive, efficient, and people-centered. Our Data-First World Tour explores plans, budgets, and the tech redefining tomorrow's living, and how cities pay for it, responsibly and transparently. A smart city is a physical environment, interwoven with a digital nervous system. IoT sensors and cameras collect real-time signals from streets and utilities. Traffic flow, congestion, and incidents are detected as they happen. Mobility systems sync with data to keep people moving. Energy platforms balance supply and demand across renewables and loads. Software and analytics turn raw data into actionable intelligence. Signals retime dynamically to ease congestion and reduce travel times. Grids forecast demand, prevent blackouts, and cut waste. The goal is simple yet profound: improve everyday life. Our tour begins in Asia with Songdo, a purpose-built smart city. It is instrumented end-to-end: temperature, energy, and traffic. Seamless mobility integrates with planning and operations. Built as a living lab, systems communicate across the city. The investment was immense, tens of billions, to demonstrate deep tech integration. Barcelona blends historic fabric with cutting-edge tech. Retrofitted streetlights dim when streets are empty, saving energy. Sensor-equipped waste bins optimize routes, cutting cost and emissions. Budgets grew incrementally as pilots proved clear returns. Singapore is a global leader in smart mobility. Real-time pricing and adaptive signals keep arteries clear. Open data fuels countless apps for multimodal journeys. Substantial long-term tech spending is tied to national plans linking transport, housing, and growth. Copenhagen targets carbon neutrality with tech serving sustainability. Smart grids manage energy from offshore wind to homes. Transparent plans and budgets foster public trust and shared purpose. Smart city transformations require upfront investments in hardware, software, and infrastructure. Citywide IoT networks and analytics platforms can run into millions, sometimes billions. But savings from reduced congestion and faster commutes add up quickly. Smarter energy cuts waste and lowers utility bills. Start with specific, measurable goals and small pilots to prove ROI. Funding can blend municipal budgets, grants, and public-private partnerships. In PPPs, private partners may finance, build, and operate services for long-term revenue. Diversified funding makes large-scale transformation achievable. Transparency, publishing plans, budgets, and KPIs maintains public trust. When residents see results, lower bills, better service, they back future investments. Smart finance is a framework: sustainable, transparent, and trusted. Technology is a tool. The city's purpose is to serve people. Protect privacy with clear policies on data collection, use, and sharing. Invest in robust cybersecurity and governance. Deploy connectivity, transit, and sensors equitably across all communities. Good design, beautiful, green, and walkable, amplifies tech benefits. Optimize traffic flows with data. But design cities to reduce car dependence in the first place. A smart city is equitable, accessible, and enjoyable for all. Technology and design must work in concert, efficient and humane. Mobility, real-time tracking, demand-responsive routes, shared bikes and cars. Smart signals adapt to reduce congestion and emissions. Energy, digital grids match supply and demand, integrating renewables. Water and waste, sensors detect leaks and optimize collection. Open data platforms empower startups, researchers, and citizens to innovate. Health and safety improve when services are informed by real-time insight. Building a smart city is a long journey. Steady plans, consistent budgets, public trust. The cities that thrive use data as a lens and design as a tool. Global Glimpse thanks you. Now, think of your own city. What single smart step could start tomorrow?